Hello friends, good afternoon. We're here once more, Doc Cholos vlog, and we're talking about Kali. Okay, we showed you yesterday the move. So this is the move. This is the stabbing thrust. You have one here and the other one at the back. Okay, that's the thrust. Okay, and you may have a swinging one, pendulum type from the bottom, and you may have pendulum from the it's a roundhouse. Okay, or from above. Same manner, you can have the swinging from the other side, same manner, and I hope you were able to identify this. Okay, but then there is a jab. You know, you can strike with a knife using a jab, and you can hit multiple times very quickly. You can hit many times, and you can use a jab. You can use a jab like this. Okay, you don't really need so much force in doing a jab. You can do the jab this way or this way very quickly, or even this way. The thrust with a very quick move is a jab, and that's how we do it. There's another thing that has the advantage using a knife. Okay, it's a quickness. You know, you can move it from one hand to another. You can change position quickly. Okay, like for example, you may have this. Okay, you may want to change hands. Okay, see. Goes back easily. Okay, you may even change position. Okay, you may have catch it this way, and you may have a different position. Okay, okay. Okay, and you may change hands quickly. Okay. It's like magic. Okay, so that's another advantage. But how you do it? Okay, how you do it, especially when you change from forehand to backhand grip. We don't do this. Okay, that's very fancy. We don't recommend changing grips like this. Okay, we have assisted grip with a free hand. Do this. You want to change the grip, hold it. You may hold it this way and change grip. Okay, change grip. Okay, you may change it to the other hand, and you may hold this way and change grip. Okay, hold it to change grip. Okay, okay. You may even not hold it, but you put it in the palm. Okay, you may change grip by. When you do it this way, then turn and put it on the palm. So you may change into the left hand, or you may use still the right hand. Okay, so when you do this, okay, see, you see there's a way of changing grip, but in secret. So you have this. Okay, so see, use your hips to land your and change grip while having the knife touching your hips. Okay, okay, so okay, okay, closer. And you may even hide the chains behind your back. Okay, same. Change hand, change direction. Okay, change grip. Okay, change grip, grip, change. Okay, So that's about it, folks. Okay. So that's all for now, our lessons using knife.